I'm Henry Rotte and I'm going to be presenting my project for Schweizer Jugend forscht. I worked on generative adversarial networks, which are a type of AI that is used to generate images. For example, we might want to generate images of handwritten digits like the ones you can see here. What often happens is that you encounter a problem called mode collapse, where only a few of the modes, or in this case digits, are produced and all the images look very similar. To solve this problem, I came up with the idea of using a dynamic dataset, meaning a dataset that changes over time. I will illustrate the dynamic dataset on a simplified example. So here, instead of having handwritten digits, we have 4 bright spots which function like the different modes. If the GAN is trained on this dataset the traditional or normal way, you get mode collapse as expected. As you can see, only 2 of the modes are expressed. So what is done in the dynamic dataset is that instead of training all 4 modes at once, we first train the GAN to produce one of the modes, from which the other modes then split off from. And because now there is always sufficient overlap between the GAN distribution and the training distribution on the top, the GAN is able to produce a nice 4-mode distribution and avoids mode collapse.